Hey, what's up guys? Tony here with VentureTube. It is Cinco de Mayo, Friday night, and I'm in Fort Worth, Texas with my good buddy Chris, who has invited me to his home to stay for a tournament tomorrow, which is the third North Texas Kayak Championship tournament, which will be on Possum Kingdom. Some of you guys may have heard of this lake, some of you may have not, but it's considered one of the most beautiful lakes in Texas, and I'm just super excited to see what it's all about. It's very clear water, and again, if I don't catch a fish, I'm going to have a good time out there just filming for you guys. So anyway, we're getting the kayaks ready. Chris has even let me use his Pro Angler 12 here. He's going to be fishing out of the Outback over there, and we're just getting stuff ready for the morning. Got to get up early around 2 or 3 o'clock and make a couple hour drive to get over to Possum Kingdom. All right guys, I'll see you bright and early in the AM. Come on. All right, good morning guys. It's 3:30 in the morning and we're on our way to PK. Captain's meeting starts at 5 o'clock, and this is an Angler tournament, so you have to use your phone, and I had a real bad experience with that on the last tournament on Fairfield. We didn't get a very good signal out there, so I'm hoping this place goes a little better. But best 5 bass, going by length, of course, not weight. And hopefully we get into them. Me and Chris are pretty pumped about this, and we're ready to. What are we ready to do?
Ready to catch a limit.
We're ready to catch a limit. We're ready to wake up too. So we'll catch you guys on the lake. Come on. All right, so there you go, guys. Not a ton of action. I was barely able to pull off a limit, but that seemed to be the case for most of the anglers out there. There were 64 competitors, and 24 of those competitors were only able to scratch up a small limit. What you didn't see is I was able to cull a couple of fish that got me a total of 71.75 inches, which put me in 15th place overall. I did miss a 20-inch plus fish that would have really helped cull a 12.5 incher. Would have got me around 5th place. But hey, you lose fish, it's fishing. It happens. Overall, it was a super amazing place to fish. I mean, just gorgeous, clear water, rock bluffs, and the fishing is good. I mean, it really is. I could see a number of big fish, just couldn't get them to commit. So real quick, some of the lures I was using in this video. I started out first thing in the morning with a Rebel topwater popper. It was producing strikes, as you saw, but mostly white bass first thing in the morning, and my first 2 keeper bass were on the popper. After that, it was throwing a shaky head with a 6-inch trick worm, nothing fancy. And that's one tip I'd give you guys. When you're fishing these clear water lakes, there's really no need to go super fancy. And to prove that, the tournament was won on a wacky worm Cinco. Go figure, right? Probably the only thing I didn't throw. And believe me, it crossed my mind, but just didn't feel like rigging it up, and probably should have. Hindsight's always 20/20 though, right? So anyway, popper, 6-inch finesse worm on a shaky head. Take it for what it's worth. 15th place. Isn't exactly where I wanted to be, but again, had a great time, and hope you guys enjoyed watching. On the next video, I'll be making a few announcements coming up for my channel. Something I'm really excited about, so you guys stay tuned. I appreciate y'all liking up the videos, and for your subscriptions, and for your support and all. You guys take care, get out there and go fishing, preferably out of Bohobie, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Come on.